Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Matrix, a series of tutorial videos outlining a variety of Matrix AI network functions. The first set of Simple Matrix videos will focus on the Matrix Web Wallet. In the last tutorial video, we introduced how to use AI applications in the Matrix Web Wallet with the example of lung cancer diagnosis, and it received good responses. Matrix supporters hope we can demonstrate more AI applications. So, this video will show you how to use AI applications in Matrix Web Wallet with the example of human pose detection. Before getting started, please type Wallet Matrix IO in your browser. We suggest using Google Chrome. This will bring you to the Matrix Web Wallet. With that out of the way, let's look at how to use AI applications of human pose detection in the Matrix Web Wallet. First, choose your preferred method to open your wallet. If you don't yet have a wallet, we have another simple Matrix video that you should watch first. The link is in the description below. After successfully opening your wallet, click AI application. There are 3 AI applications at present, namely lung cancer diagnosis, pose detection, and object detection. Here we take pose detection as an example to show you the operation process of AI application. Before you start, you need to prepare an image of human figures. Click Start. Click Upload and select Image. After successfully uploading the image, tick This task will use your man and click Submit. You can receive the AI diagnosis result within 5 minutes after sending the transaction. You can view the results as follows. Visit Matrix Blockchain browser at tom.matrix.io. This is also recommended to use Google Chrome here. Enter the wallet address that just initiated the AI application into the search bar. Click the search button on the right side of the search bar. You can receive the AI diagnosis results about a minute after sending the AI transaction. Click the hash value of the transaction. This allows you to view your pose detection results as diagnosis by our AI algorithm. And that's it. If there are any specific features you would like to learn about, please let us know in the comments below. See you next time.